In this second part, we will see the rise of gold and the flop of British pound. Enjoy!
Let's jump to gold. We have a flag buy signal, break at 2023.34. Price action looks pretty clean. The price is going harmonically up, and it's dancing, kept dancing between 2080 and 2024.76 for like 8 p.m., 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So almost 12 hours, if I'm not wrong. Okay, and the breakout was solid. You had all the time to enter here. No retest on the previous high here. Price going up to 2039.18. Considering the week, okay? But if you exit here when you see the price going down around 2035, you'll be fine. But then it's a personal call. My advice to use the backtested strategies, so you will know where to exit, where to entry, where to put the stop loss. Let's jump to the USD and the Danish krone. So this trade is a little bit challenging, and I'm gonna explain you why. Even though the price action looks pretty good here at first sight, because it's undoubtedly a strong downtrend on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, because if you check the higher time frames, you're gonna find a different situation. Maybe this is retracement on a uptrend on the daily chart. Okay, we don't know. So even though this chart looks pretty good, even looking at the size of the candles, then things here got a little bit messy because candle size started to get bigger, and it means that volatility is pretty high, and you will need a larger stop loss. Okay, just if you use the ATR to set your stop loss, it's possible that you're gonna put your stop loss higher as you used to do. Okay, so we got the first breakout here, and the price reached the previous low but wasn't able to go through it, and the buyers here are still in control because they are defending their positions. They pushed it higher, retesting this previous level around 86.28, where this doji formed. It looks like a morning star here. Okay, for me, it looks like a morning star. It's not very clear, but anyway. So this is a little bit tricky, okay? Because another signal that this trade is not very reliable is that we have an higher high forming here. So for me, it's like a danger tell. It's danger signal. I'm gonna open my pen here so I can show you better. In fact, we got a little bit of fight because the sellers to control again, and then the buyers push it up again. You can see the wicks. You can see the wicks. But just take a look at the wicks. Okay, so this wick here, just because it's higher than the previous high, for me is a no. Okay, but then it's a personal call. Maybe there are traders who feel comfortable, okay, and they say, okay, the price was pushed down and we got this wick, but it's not the same as the first one because this high is higher than this. So for me, it's no. I don't want to deal with this. Okay, I don't want to deal with these huge candles. I need to put my stop higher. So I'm exposing my capital to higher risk, because this business is about risk, and great traders, very good traders, think about risk. I'll show you this. Okay, I don't remember the USD. Okay, let's compare the situation. Here it is a different situation, because this level is just below this previous one. The price didn't retest this level here. So for me, it has everything. This is not a financial advice, it's just the way I trade. Same situation here, British Pound USD, we have a rising wedge sell signal, break at 126.75. The price action looks pretty good, because the downtrend is pretty strong during the action session. But then, always remember to check the higher time frames to see where the strong support and resistance zone are lying. So we got a pretty strong support zone. We don't know if the sellers we will be able to break it through. This time we're not. So yes, we have a breakout and the price retesting this previous level around 2666. So we are like 11 pips. Maybe if you are trading the 5-minute time frame and you are like more elastic and you have different strategies, like you take 20 pips, or in certain situation you just scalp. Okay, it's totally fine. But to me, this chart doesn't look pretty promising. Just looking at the pattern here, because the size of the candles. Okay. Oof. Sorry. The size of the candles, if you can see, is the double of these ones. So the market just changed its behavior. We got different situation. For me, is no. So I'm out of this trade. I wouldn't have entered inside this. USD Turkish Lira. This trade is still in progress. It looks like they are thinking about it. The price is lateralizing, but looking at the wicks and of the candles, buyers are in control, because the price is retesting this level around 13.1909. So this trade are still in progress. As you can see, it looks pretty promising. The Australian dollar and the Swiss C, we have flag buy signal, break at 57.22. Strong breakout here. We got this low retesting this previous high here, where the price was rejected 2 times around 57.17. We have this higher low, so for me it's pretty good. It's pretty good, because this is a quite reliable, many traders will say strong, but I will say honestly quite reliable buy signal. This is a buy signal, okay, because we got two bottoms and an higher low. So yes, this is one of this situation when you can enter and stay a little bit on alert and see what happens. Okay, so 57.22, 57.31, 9 pips. This was a short trade in my opinion, because many traders will target this previous high at 57.35. Right, 22.35, 13 pips more or less. I don't know, because Australian dollar with Swiss franc or the Japan yen doesn't give much room. Okay, so yes, we got small movements, but most of the movements happen during night. So if you are in the other part of the world, you will be fine. And these trades are still in progress. This chart doesn't look promising. I want to make a disclaimer because I have reliability on medium, but if you want high or highest, you will have less signals but with more quality. So to me, here looks like more a buy signal, honestly, because this support is pretty strong. So as you can see, we got plenty of trades and we have emerging patterns forming. Only on the 5 minute time frame, because on the other time frames we have other ones forming. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have to say something or share your opinion, if you are using Forex Trendy, whatever you want to write about finance and Forex, feel free to leave a comment below. It was a pleasure to stay with you. Thanks for your attention. See you soon. Bye bye.